Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to trade on BYDFI in 2025, and this video is for complete beginners. So if you are an experienced trader, you can turn off this video and don't watch it anymore. It's literally for people who are just starting in crypto, who want to learn the basics of how to trade on BYDFI. And look, I'm in Florida right now and I can enter the exchange. So I would recommend it for anyone who is in the US, for anyone who is even globally. First thing obviously that you need to do is go under the link in the description, as you can see on the screen, and register with my link. If you click this link that is in here, you get up to $8,200 bonus if you do these tasks, and you can get also 15% bonus cashback, and this is until 12th of June. But if you're watching it after 12th of June, you can still get multiple bonuses with my link. You can still get the $8,200 bonus, as you can see in here. So check the link in the description. That's the first thing. If you already have an account on BYDFI, you can make a new one if you want to take advantage of these bonuses. So now step number 2, after registering, you're gonna see this panel, and this is the main section. As you can see, you have a MoonX that I'm gonna cover in the next video. Now we're gonna focus on the exchange. So first thing, obviously, if you want to buy crypto, if you don't have crypto anywhere else, you need to click here buy. You have P2P, or simply if you click here, you have an option to buy crypto using credit card or using P2P. As you can see, you get multiple fiat currencies supported, USD, euros, etc, etc. And the easiest thing will be for you to buy USDT. Otherwise, if you already have crypto, you can go into your account, which is here, and you can click deposit and basically deposit crypto to your BYDFI account. Step number 3 is the trading, because obviously after depositing you want to trade crypto. So what you need to do is go here and click trade. You have 3 options: convert, on-chain trading, which is the memes that we're gonna cover in the next video, or spot trading. And as you know, spot trading is simply that you buy, let's say, BTC, Ethereum, or any other currency, any other cryptocurrency, and you already have it in your wallet. Okay, so after coming into the spot section, you're gonna see this dashboard. This might look very scary to you, but it actually isn't. It's actually very, very easy if you follow me through that process. Okay, here is a section of the chart. Okay, as you can see, this section is the chart. We can turn off these useless indicators, and as you can see, it looks a bit more clear now. Here is the time frame. You can change between 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes charts, and those are candles. Yeah, so if we change to 1 hour candle, that gives us 1 candle is 1 hour. Here you can change between multiple cryptocurrencies. If you click at this section, you can choose between Ethereum, BTC, XRP, Solana, USDC, etc, etc. Here's the current price, 24-hour change, 24-hour change in the percentage, 24-hour high, which is $110,000, 24-hour low, and the volume. Now this is the order book. You're not gonna use it that much, obviously, for trading, and this is the section where you're gonna buy and sell your crypto. So let's say you want to buy a little bit of BTC. What you need to do is put the market option, click here, and put the amount of USDT that you want to spend on the BTC. Let's say I want to use 100 USD to buy BTC, and as you can see, it's already success, and I have 0.0009 BTC, and this is the amount of USDT that I still have. Now if I want to sell, easy, go click sell. We put the 100% of my BTC, and let's sell 100% of my BTC. As you can see, it's done, success. And now I only have USD, I don't have BTC anymore. Now, it's as simple as that for spot. It's very, very, very easy. It's not complicated at all. Another option here, and this is going to be last thing for spot trading, is that you have an option for limit trading. And as you can see, you can put a limit order. What does it mean? That means that if you have a specific price in mind that you want to buy BTC at, you can set it up. So let's say that you want to buy BTC, but only when it hits $95,000, all right, $95,000. So you put it here, the quantity. Let's say you want to buy 1 Bitcoin, and this is the amount of money that you're gonna need to spend. Obviously, we don't have it right here, but let's say we're gonna use 50% of our portfolio, which is 1,525. Let's set it up, and as you can see, this is the order. Okay, we can see it now in open orders. Time, the type is limit order. This is a buy, and the price. As you can see, it hasn't been filled because the price is too high, but you can also see it on the screen if we zoom out a little bit, that this is the level and this is the order on the chart. Okay, you can see it. So once price goes into that level, this is going to be automatically filled and I will have BTC. But we're gonna cancel that right now and we're gonna go to the step number 4, which is derivatives. And as you can see here you have multiple options. What you need to do is go to the first one. This is USDTM, which means that you trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other altcoins against USDT. This is the simplest option, the option that I recommend if you want to start futures. But remember, trading futures is very, very, very risky. Okay, you need to be an experienced trader to trade futures. Okay, so start with spot, always start with spot. Once you feel confident trading spot, then start with small leverage on the futures. Okay, as you can see, you have 5 options here. Copy trading, which is you can copy other traders. Then demo trading, which is that you can simply trade based on fake money. You know, you're not gonna lose, you're not gonna win anything. This is just to feel confident trading. Leverage tokens. This is more advanced thing, but basically you buy a token that is already leveraged. As you can see, 3x in here. Usually you don't use it, and usually you also don't use CoinM. You simply use USDTM, and as you can see, we're gonna open it right now. The dashboard looks almost the same as it looks with the spot trading. The only difference basically is a leverage means that you can simply borrow money from the exchange, and that lets you open bigger and bigger positions. And as you can see right now, I have an open position, short position on XRP, and I'm already at $160 in a profit, around 8%. As you can see, I'm not going to close this position because I believe XRP is going to go down. Now, how to open a trade? This is going to be last step of this video. How to open a trade on derivatives on BYDFI. So first of all, you need to adjust leverage. Okay, if you, as I told you, if you're just starting, start with something small. Don't use 200x. Start with something like 5, 10x. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to change it to 10x. Now, isolated and cross. Isolated means that you're not going to lose all of your funds from multiple wallets. You only, in order of liquidation, you're only gonna lose the amount that is in the position. Okay, so let's confirm 10x, and as you can see right now, we are ready to open a position. Let's say we want to open a long position on BTC right now, or let's say short position on BTC. I have very small funds available here, but it will be still enough just to show you how to open the trade. So as you can see, we're gonna do the take profit, let's say at $90,000, and stop loss at $120,000. Okay, and it's that simple. You simply need to click short. Before we do it, let me explain you what take profit and stop loss means. Take profit means that your position is going to be automatically closed in a profit once price gets into $90,000, and stop loss means that your loss will be automatically stopped to $120,000. I didn't put 10 here, but it's okay. Now let's open the short position, and as you can see, the trade is also already in a small profit, and you can see the position here. So the quantity, the entry price, the market price, liquidation price, and this is it. I'm going to close that position because we didn't. That was just to show you. So let me close that position. This one is still in a profit, a short on XRP, and this is it. Remember, if you want to trade, use the link in the description. You're gonna get multiple bonuses if you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.